All right, whatever. That works.
Okay, guys. Today we're going to be doing breakfast cereal maturity tier list. So basically, the it's how much an adult can eat this cereal versus how much this is, a children's cereal. So obviously we'll get into it, but like Special K would not be a baby cereal or something like that.
Hmm.
So just so we're all aware. So with me, as always, is Jake.
What's going on, guys? Really looking forward to getting into this. Another banger tier list.
Yep. Okay, so Apple Jacks. I think Apple Jacks is pretty respectable.
Yeah, I agree. I mean, it's definitely got the fruity flavor, but
It's not
you
as
know,
bad as some of the other. I mean,
we can readjust as we go, but
yeah, sure.
I would lean towards the college early 20s tier. I think that's
Yeah,
acceptable.
I think let's. I'm okay with putting it early 20s for now. We might need to adjust.
Works for me. I'm an Apple Jacks
Okay,
guy.
Cap'n Crunch. What do you think?
See, Captain Crunch is a little more on the sugary side, and you'd think of it as more of a child cereal, but honestly, I think it it beats out some of the lower competition. I'd put it around the college teen tier.
Really? Okay. I could live with it in teens.
All right.
Now I think I might bump Apple Jacks down to college because I think Cheerios is a very early 20s
I
cereal.
don't know. I feel like Cheerios is a grown man cereal. You see old ass men eating Cheerios.
Let's see, is Honey Nut Cheerios on here? No. Okay. Yeah, that's
Yeah, these are just
yeah,
plain.
Honey Nut Cheerios are there. So
Yeah,
grown,
yeah.
yeah, Honey Nut Cheerios will be lower. Um, Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
I
What do
mean,
you think?
it's a great treat, but you can't call yourself an adult if you're eating cinnamon toast crunch in the morning. That's got to be a child cereal.
Children's? Okay.
Yeah,
Cocoa Dino Bites.
I've never even heard of these. Where'd you get this tier list, man?
I'm putting it in babies. Cocoa Krispies, which is like the Snap Crackle Pop, but chocolate.
I would lean towards children. I think it's probably a little better than those Dino Bites, just because Rice Krispies have some element of nutritional value.
Co-
Rice is good for you.
I think a theme is anything with chocolate is going to be low down.
Oh yeah, I think we'll see that as we go.
Yeah. Cocoa Pebbles, I think also children.
Definitely.
Cocoa Puffs,
We're just running the gambit here.
Cookie Crisp.
I would honestly lean towards babies. Come on.
Okay.
You can't eat cookies for breakfast.
Corn Flakes,
Nah, that's a grown man cereal if I've ever seen one. If your
Pops.
main flavor is
I already
corn,
agreed with you. Pops.
I would put them in a similar t- I would say college is probably just about right for pops.
Okay. Crispix.
I think they're like Weetabix. So that looks like an early 20s grown man cereal for me.
Captain Crunch Berries.
If we're putting Captain Crunch in teen, I think berries you got to go a little lower.
Okay. Fruit Loops. Where do you
See,
think Fruit Loops go?
I would say Fruit Loops are on a similar level to Captain Crunch, the plain Captain Crunch, because there's not really obviously there's not real fruit in them, but it's not the sugariest cereal you're gonna get. Like I could if my child was in high school eating Fruit Loops, I wouldn't feel like I'd failed as a parent.
So teens we're going with?
I would say teens, yeah.
Okay. Frosted Flakes.
Look, hear me out. Any hotel you go to, their little continental breakfast bar, they're gonna have frosted flakes down there. I think it's more adult than people might think. I would
Are you
put them in.
fucking high? Are you fucking a fucking orange tiger is an adult cereal to you?
He's like there. I mean, what does it matter with the mascot?
You're fucking it's got a big fucking orange tiger with a neckerchief, and you're like, yeah, adults can eat this fucking cereal. So what's fucking funny about that, huh? What's so fucking funny about you thinking that Frosted Flakes can be eaten by a fucking adult? I'm fucking serious.
Like, I thought I was gonna hold it together.
I'm gonna put this in teens, and we're gonna move on. Fruity Pebbles.
Fruity Pebbles is a child cereal.
Okay, I'm gonna
Let's be
bump
real.
Cocoa Pebbles down to baby.
That's fair. That's fair.
Honey Bunches of Oats.
Grown man. Grown man cereal. I'll eat this till the day I die. I'll be, maybe not the almond ones, but honey nut oats as a all across the board. I'd say grown man.
Cheerios. Honey Nut Cheerios.
Yeah, honey nut Cheerios. I would put them. Obviously, they're flavored. They're worse than the normal Cheerios, but I put them around the college tier.
Okay. Kicks.
Couldn't tell you. Never had them in my life.
Why the fuck didn't you research?
You didn't. You didn't send the document.
You should have fucking known that Kicks were going to be on this tier list.
Where did you find this bum ass tier list anyway?
Fucking look. This is what I found. Okay, this is the fucking. It was either this one. Look, I'll show you. It was either this or like one that had fucking 80 cereals on it. Like,
okay, cool. Yeah, so you just wanna be skimp on this. You don't want to be thorough with our cereal tier list.
you want to fucking spend like fucking 2 hours talking about the differences between fucking. Look at this shit. Look how many fucking cereals there are on this. Every single brand of Honey Bunches of Oats we're gonna fucking talk about. Every single fucking one.
I have some opinions on those.
Every fucking Special K. There's fucking like 15 fucking Special Ks. You want to go through all of them.
All right, forget it. Forget I said
That's what you want to fucking do. You're mad at me for not wanting to do this, but you don't even fucking know what Kicks is. Don't fucking shake your head at me. Do not fucking shake your head at me, okay? Did this fucking shit save? I swear to fucking God if this shit didn't fucking save. Good. Fucking hell. If we had to fucking restart, I would have fucking lost it.
So Kicks. I mean,
Wheaties is grown man.
agreed.
I want a higher res version of the box so I could show this to you.
Well, by your logic, there's no orange tiger, so they must be grown man.
What the fuck is this?
I thought you were the Kicks expert.
Kid tested. There you go. There's your fucking answer. It's a kid cereal. I'm gonna put it a little more because it doesn't have a fucking mascot.
Can we cut this part out of the final video? Let's skip
So
that.
Life cereal.
Yeah, I Life is definitely early 20s. Like the lowest it'll go is early 20s. It's Life. There's an old man on the box, isn't there? Or is that just there's grown people on there?
It's a mom and a kid.
What's to the left?
What?
What's next to the mom?
A kid.
Oh, it's another bowl of Life.
Yeah. Eat Life by the bowlful. That's from Mad Men.
It's a good one. It's a good show. That's a grown man show.
So we're putting it in grown man.
I guess so. If Don Draper liked them,
He was drunk during the pitch.
it's a very grown man thing to do.
You're full of good ideas. Lucky Charms.
Don't shoot me for this, but Lucky Charms is a college cereal.
You're a fucking moron. It's a baby ass fucking cereal.
No, it's not.
Marshmallows. You're gonna start your day with fucking marshmallows.
Sometimes if you've been good that
Fucking-
week,
I've been good. What fucking? Sorry, say that again. If you've been good,
you know, if I've
I
been
get a
eating,
little treat. I get a little treat. Grown men don't have treats.
I do sometimes.
Oh well, guess what? Well, I guess I'll fucking rename this one then. That's you. That's what you are. I'm still mad. Marshmallows. Where would you put marshmallows then?
Look, on my personal tier list, I would put them in college tier. And to be honest,
outvoted. Fucking outvoted.
I thought this is a collaboration. You can't just outvote
Yeah,
me.
not if you're fucking high. Not if you're like, oh yeah, college kids can eat marshmallows for breakfast. Marshmallows. Oh fuck yeah, let's put the cotton candy cereal in Grown Man next.
I don't think there's a cotton candy cereal.
You'd fucking make one. That's what you'd do. If you had fucking cereal, you're like, oh, let's fucking put Frosted Mini Wheats.
Uh, I haven't had these, but sounds like they'd probably go in my tier.
They go above the Tiger. Oatmeal squares.
Early 20s at least, I would say.
Raisin Bran Crunch.
Grown man cereal.
Raisin Bran. 2 scoops. So just regular Raisin Bran.
Oh, that is also a grown man cereal.
Okay. Reese's Puffs.
Probably around. I'd say it's on the similar tier to the Frosted Flakes.
You don't think that.
What do you mean?
Tell me you don't fucking think that.
I do. It's not. It's not as bad as Cocoa Krispies or berries.
How? How is it better?
There's peanut butter in them.
What? This is a spin-off of a candy. There was Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, which were candy, and they're like, we're gonna make it a cereal. You think candy for breakfast speaks well?
There's protein in peanut butter.
Yeah, there's fucking iron and fucking chicken. I'm not gonna be Jax for Mortal Kombat.
I'm just saying it's not as bad as straight chocolate and Fruity Pebbles.
This is so fucked. Fine. You win. Rice Chex.
Probably early 20s.
Rice Krispies.
I'd say they have to go above Cocoa Krispies. So yeah, the teen tier.
I honestly could go as high as chocolate on there, as college on these.
I could go to college.
Just balance it out. Shredded wheat.
Grown man. Should taste like butt.
Special K.
Same again, grown man cereal.
Okay. The easiest choice in the world. Trick cereal.
College tier. What?
You hurt me.
I'm just telling you what I think. You don't have to take it personal.
Don't think. Can't think that. You're trying to be funny. You're trying to. You can't think that.
I'm just giving. I'm trying to.
You can't fucking think that.
So
I'm gonna ask you again. Trix cereal.
teen tier. What are we doing here?
What tier is Trix cereal?
Teen, at least.
New Wildberry Red. Wildberry Red. The fruity taste. Wildberry. Taste the fruitiness. Wildberry. All I want is to taste them. Part of a breakfast that's nutritious. Wildberry. It's absolutely.
Silly rabbit, tricks are for kids.
I see your point.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Would you like to do any rebalancing here?
I think we can move Honey Nut Cheerios up to the early 20s tier.
Okay.
Yeah, I wouldn't say I'm happy with this list, but
Oh, I'm far from happy.
okay, well, if maybe if we collaborated a little bit more and you didn't scream at me when I said my opinions.
Well, we'll see you guys next week for another some fucking bullshit.